Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Vita and importing the photo you'll edit. This gets you into the editor immediately. Once done, choose an aspect ratio like 1, or 16, 9 depending on your final use because composition matters. Make sure the app is updated so tools match these steps. Tap the plus icon, pick images from camera roll, and wait for the preview to load. This reduces lag. Now you're ready to access crop, filter, and adjustment panels to begin real edits. You'll now refine exposure and color. Start with exposure and contrast to fix brightness and midtones because accurate base levels improve every subsequent change. Once done, tweak highlights and shadows to recover detail, and then shift color temperature and tint to set mood, warmer for golden tones, cooler for a sterile look. Apply a preset filter if helpful, but reduce intensity with the slider so the effect looks natural. Remember to toggle before after to check progress. Finish by cropping for composition and straightening horizons. You do this last because framing can change perceived exposure. Then sharpen modestly, apply noise reduction when needed, and consider a slight vignette to draw focus. Once satisfied, tap Export, choose resolution and format, then save to device or share directly. If something looks off, undo steps or revert to the original, and if export fails, restart the app and free up storage before retrying. That solves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.